Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Marwan SP. I am a student from the Management Program Study of Nusa University. I am from Sukabumi, Indonesia. Here I will present my scientific paper entitled Organizational Management for Students. Background: everyone has a purpose in life. Organizational management is an important thing in educational institution or society, especially among students. Why is that? Because the organization is very useful and helps to carry out a goal to be achieved in any way. Therefore, it is important for us to organize so that we can acknowledge experience, insight, kinship, and social relation between each other so that we can train ourselves and develop our potential by studying it as well as possible, because the organization is a group of people who work to achieve a common goal. However, not only that, the organization is also one of the powerful communication tools, because by communicating they always socialize and interact with each other so that they can connect and generate performance in a team. Meanwhile, the organization is also growing because the organization is needed in the division of tasks both individually and in group. Therefore, to develop their role as a student, do it by joining student organization, because by organizing student can further develop their roles as student, both academically and intellectually, because basically they will be involved in society, and there is no need to worry that participating in a organization can interfere with lecture activities or assignment. It does not require the possibility not to make it a burden. In fact, by joining an organization, we can train mentally, feel confident, and not be nervous because it is already open. Usually, learn from the organization. Problem formulation. What does organization mean? What are organizational benefits? Why is organization important? What is the impact of the organization? Purpose. Uh, One, to pin out the organizational relationship between communities. Two, to pin out how much the organization benefits. Three, to know the importance of organizing for life in society. Research source. This research is a type of library research. What is called library research, or often also called library research, is about method relating to the methods of collecting library data, reading and taking note, or processing research materials. Meanwhile, according to Mahmoud in his book Educational Research Methods, explains that research instrumentation. The following are data collection techniques used by the author in this study. Study library engineering listening. Literature study of listening techniques can be divided into several techniques, including note-taking techniques. The note-taking technique is data collection techniques by using books, literature, or library materials, then taking notes or quoting the opinion of experts in the book to strengthen the theoretical basis in research. This note-taking technique uses books, literature, and library material that are relevant to the research being conducted, which can usually be found in the library or where the author conduct research. Discussion. Problem. Definition of organizing binding. That is one of the container contained in a group of people who work to carry out tasks to achieve a good goal, in which there is a division of labor structure and work structure between groups of position holder work together in a certain way and have clarity on their respective duties. Benefit per student pending. In addition, the organization has several benefits in which is constant meaningful meaning for oneself. The benefits of the organization for student are expanding relationship, increase insight of experience, improve communication skill, learn to manage time, be strong and in the face of pressure, training leadership, build a family and interact with each other, social relation, and increase your potential. From importance of organizing is manual. On the other hand, the organization is also very important in life. What is that? Because as explained earlier, that the importance of an organization in life, namely mentally trained, so that when you talk, you are not nervous. Self-development to improve personality integrity that can apply. Improve and develop knowledge. Be a critical student and a brain. Problem organizational impact on studying. Binding. The impact that students get because they are active in organization have positive and negative impact on themselves, including one, positive impact, easy to get along with and many friends because they often gather so that their brain increase. Have more experience that students who are not active in organization, have an independent nature, not dependent on other, broad-minded and rational, and have a high sense of solidarity toward fellow students and other people. Second, negative impact. In attending lectures, he is often late and often skips class for the sake of participating in organizational activities. Academic achievement is not so broad and even terms to decrease every semester, and most to those who actively participate in organization are never on time in completing their studies. Closing. Conclusion from the discussion above. The conclusion that can be drawn are organizational management for students is a place where there is a group of people who work to achieve a common goal, and at the same time it is a place to add insights, family experience, establish social relationship, and interact with each other. In addition, the organization is very important because as a form of developing mental attitude, self-confidence, explore the potential and communication tool, and there are benefit and impact obtained from the organization. Uh, for bibliography, I'm take from four. Uh, First, from Abdul Aziz Wahab, Organizational Anatomy and Educational Leadership from Bandung. Second, from SIM Management Information System course module. Third, from Ed Joni Amitai Modern Organization from Jakarta Universitas University of Indonesia. We press page 12 and fourth from Amirullah and Haris Budiono, Introduction to Management, Geraha Ilmu Yogyakarta. Thank you for all.